After I made sweet potato in the air fryer, I don't want to do it any other way. Here I'm using a sweet potato and I'm going to start cutting it into smaller strips. Guys, you can cut with a knife, but I'm using a grater here. And look at the thickness, it's got to be like this. Do this with the whole potato. Once done, we just pick it up and move it to a larger container. After that, I'm going to add a little olive oil on top. I'll season with some sweet paprika, a little salt, and some black pepper. Now with our hands, let's mix all of this really well. Once that's done, let's move it to the air fryer. Bake at 160 degrees for about 15 minutes or till it browns. And hey guys, look how amazing these sweet potato chips look. So yummy, try it at home and I'm sure everyone will love it. A super quick, easy recipe that tastes great. And this was another recipe from Pobre na Cocina. Big hug, see you next time and thanks.